This plot displays the Lorentz attractor. It maps the state of a dynamical system over time, and its tangled blue to red trajectory represents behavior that appears impossible to predict. However, this immense visual chaos is actually generated by just 3 remarkably simple equations. Modern data collection captures billions of raw points for systems like these, from the shifting patterns in a flock of starlings to the rapid firing of neurons in a human brain. While nature follows simple rules, the sheer scale of our data makes it look overwhelmingly complex. We need a way to filter the signals from the noise. Currently, science relies on deep neural networks to process these massive datasets. These networks are incredible at predicting the future, but they function as black boxes. They can't explain the physical logic of why something happens, or provide a clear law to describe the process. This contrasts with the classical approach used by Johannes Kepler, who deduced transparent physical laws directly from his observations of the planets. An algorithm called SINDI, Sparse Identification of Nonlinear Dynamics, aims to return to that transparency. It forces machine learning to act as an interpretable white box. Scientists seek to identify the physical laws driving a system, moving beyond the surface-level predictions of standard machine learning. SINDI relies on the principle of sparsity. Out of the infinite number of possible mathematical functions, physical laws typically utilize only a few active terms. The first step is measuring states, represented as vector x. This is a clean time history of the system, tracking a population day by day. Step 2 estimates derivatives, labeled as x dot, calculating the specific speed at which those measured states are changing. SINDI finds the right equation through systematic elimination. It assumes that most potential mathematical descriptions are irrelevant. As shown, the algorithm builds a library matrix, theta of x, containing every candidate function imaginable. Next, sparse regression forces almost every coefficient in the chi-vector to 0. The surviving terms form a clear mathematical description of the dynamics. However, the algorithm is sensitive to noise. If the raw data is too messy, the derivative calculations will fail, leading to an inaccurate model. It also depends on the library. If the true physical term isn't included in that initial matrix of candidates, SINDI cannot find it. SINDI is a powerful filter, but it requires human intuition to select the right coordinate systems and candidate functions from the start. To validate the model, scientists run the newly discovered equations against unseen data to see if the math still holds up. In the case of the Lorentz system, the equations SINDI identifies perfectly recreate the original chaos. The identified system visually matches the true behavior of the data. This sparsity creates a balance between model complexity and accuracy. It prevents the AI from mistaking useless noise for a real physical law. This approach, scientific machine learning, provides a path for artificial intelligence to speak the transparent language of physics. SINDI is an open and highly scalable algorithm. It doesn't require a supercomputer. It can run on a standard laptop. Researchers and students can code the algorithm themselves using Python or MATLAB to analyze their own datasets. This video is independently created for educational purposes and is inspired by Professor Stephen L. Brunton's lecture series, Dynamical Systems with Machine Learning, on the Eigensteve YouTube channel. Progress in science is built on tools that make natural laws legible to humans, moving away from models that trade interpretability for raw computational power.